Bore dar everyone, I'm Rebecca from Talk and Play, and this is my little helper Mason today, and we're going to make firework pictures with our paints, our kitchen rolls from the house, some glitter, and some pom-poms. So watch us while we make our firework pictures. They're going to be very colourful, I think, Mason.
Yeah.
So mummies and daddies will need to get some paper, some kitchen rolls, 3 paper plates, and you can help your mummies and daddies pick different colours. Mason picked yellow, blue, and red paint. So first, we need to cut our kitchen rolls so we can do our firework prints. So we need to get the scissors. We must ask Mummy and Daddy for help because sometimes they can be sharp, so they can help us. We're going to cut little slits up halfway through and up again, and we're going to make them different sizes. So we're going to have big ones and small ones. Keep going, we keep cutting. And then we're going to go like this. Use our palm of our hand, and we're going to push down. So we have like this. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now Mason's going to pick which colour he'd like to use first. So which one would you like to use first, Mason? Red first. Coke red. So he's going to put some on his paper plate. Oh, there we are. On the paper plate. Good boy. Well done. Little bit more, we need a little bit more. Ready? I'll help. And there's our red for our fireworks. And what colour next, Mason?
Yellow.
Yellow. Melon. Yellow next. Oh, that's a bright yellow. Little bit more than that. We need a bit more because we're going to twist them round on the paper plates. Good boy. Should I help? Should I give you a little bit of help?
Yeah.
Right there. Wow. These are going to be very colourful fireworks. And what colour's last?
Blue.
Blue. Glass. Blue. That's it. Oh, give it a squeeze. Squeeze that paint. Wow, that's a beautiful blue. Little bit more. Right. I think Mason will need to roll up his sleeves, everybody. But we don't want to get paint on them lovely sleeves. Which colour would Mason like to go first then?
Red.
We've got red. So we need to, ready? We need to go like that. And we need to do, whoa, get messy with our paints. And then we've got blue. Which one would you like to do first, Mason? Red. And we're going to do it. I'm going to do blue. Oh no. Yes, I'm going to do blue. Glass blue. Are we ready, everybody? And we're going to twiddle it round like that on our paper. Wow. It's making different types of circles, like the fireworks. Oh, and now I'm going to use yellow melon. Oh. And if we find it a bit tricky, we can ask our mummies and daddies to help. And look at mine. Oh, blue and yellow fireworks. Wow, Mason, that's amazing. What colour are you using next? Yellow. Wow. These are very giant fireworks. I think these fireworks are going to make a big bang. They are beautiful. Well done. Now once we finish, we hold them up so the boys and girls can see. Look at them fireworks, and look, let's have a look at Mason's. That's beautiful. So would you like to put some glitter on, Mason?
Yes.
We can make them really sparkly. We've got little sparkles, some silver glitter. That sounds like a firework, sounds like a sparkler. Wow, really sparkly fireworks, and I'm going to put some glitter on mine as well. Wow! Look at our sparkly, colourful fireworks. They are beautiful. Well, I hope you found that enjoyable, everyone. And I can't wait to see all your firework pictures. Have a wonderful bonfire night. And I'm sure you'll see lots of fireworks in the sky, like me and Mason's.